Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I am going to teach you how to use PuTTY. PuTTY basically used to connect to your remote Linux servers from Windows. So it's a Windows application. It's kind of Windows terminal that can use to establish a session to your Linux servers. So we need to create a session. So I'm clicking on session first, and there is a address bar where I can put my Linux IP address. So here is my Linux IP address. I'm putting it 154.235, and we need to specify the port number. In my case it's 22, and it is a default port for SSH unless you don't change it on your server. And next thing, we need to click on SSH because we're going to create a SSH session. So nothing else, only need to click on open. So connection, here we can put our username and password on the Linux server, which is which this session will be using to create the remote session. So I have OSSADM and the password. Oops, password is wrong, so I'm going to put it again. So here we go. Now we are logging into our Linux server.